The 2015 BMW M4 is a high-performance coupe engineered for precision. Speed and aggressive style. Known for its turbocharged power,
Careful now, easy does it.
sharp body lines and track-inspired design, the M4 stands as a symbol of modern German performance. From its muscular stance to its aerodynamic profile, every detail reflects performance-driven engineering. However, this particular BMW M4 arrives in severely burnt condition. Fire damage has left visible destruction across the exterior panels. The paint is blistered and completely ruined. Headlights are damaged, interior components are melted. And the once premium cabin shows heavy deterioration, leaving the car far from its original glory. Smoke exposure has affected nearly every surface. The restoration begins with a full damage assessment and careful disassembly. Burnt components are removed, and the chassis is inspected for structural integrity. The exterior undergoes intensive cleaning and surface preparation before new body. Panels are repaired and aligned with precision. Next comes repainting, a multi-stage process that restores the deep factory finish. Layer by layer, the M4 regains its bold and aggressive appearance. Damaged lights and trim pieces are replaced. Bringing back the car's sharp front and rear design. Inside the cabin, destroyed materials are removed and replaced. New upholstery, refreshed dashboard components.
Careful now, easy does it.
BMW is known for and restored interior trims rebuild the premium driving environment. Mechanical systems are inspected and restored. To ensure the performance matches the visual transformation. From burnt and broken to flawless and powerful, this 2015 BMW M4 is completely revived. This is more than restoration. It is a full performance comeback.